नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाउज़ बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Today's our topic is denary hexadecimal conversion. We know that in hexadecimal number we have 16 digits 0 to 9 and A to F. Firstly, we will study how to convert a hexadecimal number into denary. Firstly, we have converted these hexadecimal numbers into binary, and then we convert these binary numbers into denary. Like here, suppose a hexadecimal number is given A5. We write down A and 5 separately. We write down 1 2 4 8 1 2 4 8. A equals 10, so 8 plus 2 equals to 10 and zeros, and 5 means 4 plus 1 is 5. Then we convert this binary number into denary. 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 128. We ignore the number which are under zeros and calculate the sum of remaining numbers. This is 128 plus 32 160, and 160 and 4 164, and 1 165. Means hexadecimal number is firstly converted into binary, and then binary number is converted into denary. The other method of conversion a hexadecimal number into denary is that we write down the hexadecimal notations. We have studied that whenever we use a denary number like 5 4 7, we say that this is ones, tens, 100, and the reason is that basically in denary, if we are using denary numbers, we use base 10. So this is 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2. 10 power 0 means 1, 10 power 1 means 10, 10 power 2 is equal to 100. That's why we say that this is its place value is 100 and 10 and 1s. The same we have used in binary. In binary we have studied that it is base 2 number system. This was base 10 number system. This is a base 2 number system. In base 2 number system, whenever a binary number is given, we write down the powers of 2. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, and 2 power 5. 2 power 0 equals to 1, 2 power 1 equals to 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. These are the place values in binary. The same way is used whenever we are asked to convert a hexadecimal number. Suppose we have a hexadecimal number A5C. We write down we know that hexadecimal numbers are base 16 number system. So we write down the base 16, 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2. The same way we have used in base 10 number system, 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2, and in binary number system 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Now 16 power 0 means 1, 16 power 1 means 16, 16 power 2 means 256. These are the place values for a hexadecimal number. Now if we are asked to convert a hexadecimal number into denary, firstly we write down the, like here, A 5. See, we write down the place value 1, 16, 256. Then we multiply each digit by its place value, and then we calculate the sum of these digits. Like a times 256, a is basically 10. 10 times 256 is 2560. 5 times 16, 16 times 5 is equal to 80, and c is basically 12. 12 times 1 is equal to 12. Now we have a number 2560, 80 and 12. We will calculate the sum of these numbers. 2, this is the denary equivalent of the hexadecimal number. For example, we have another hexadecimal number, and we are asked to convert this hexadecimal number into denary. What will we do? We will write down these hexadecimal numbers, then hexadecimal notation 1, 16. Then we multiply each digit by its place value, and then we will calculate the sum of these numbers. 16 times 5 is equal to 80. F is basically 15. 15 times 1 is equal to 15. This is equal to 95. For example, we have another number 1, 2, A, E. We will write down hexadecimal place values 1, 16, 256, 4096. Then we will multiply each digit by its position and calculate their sum. This time 1 is equal to 4096 plus 256 times 2 is equal to 512 plus A is basically 10. 10 times 16 is equal to 160, and E is equal to 14. 14 times 1 is equal to 14. Now we have number 4096, 512, 160 and 14. We calculate the sum of these numbers. 4782. This is the denary value of hexadecimal number. We have two methods. In the first method, we convert hexadecimal number into binary, and then binary is converted into denary. And in the second method, we use the place values. These are the place values. That's all for today. See you next time, inshallah.